Hello, this is Margaret from the University of Sewing and my trusty shopmate, Kayla. She is actually our expert bridal person. And so she typically doesn't hang out on this side of the shop unless I need her. And today I need her. See how nice and tall she is? I'm very short, she's very tall. We got all of that. Guess what we just got in? We got in cattails from Free Spirit. So we're going to show you these new fabrics. They're very fun, very festive. They're going to be the perfect spring project fabric for you. So we're going to open this up and I'm going to show you all these fun things. And for the cat lovers in the group, you guys are going to have a ball with this. So let's start off. We have this wonderful thing here. We've got little fish and little cats and all kinds of stuff. And then some cat tails, because what is cat fabric without cat tails? And there's precious little butterflies on there and frogs. And so isn't that wonderful? And then for our knitters and different people who enjoy fishing and bicycles, isn't that awesome? And that's in orange, and here it is in gray. And here's some cats playing in the cattails. Isn't that fun?
Little birds and bunnies too.
Oh, there's birds and bunnies. I missed that. There we go. Ah, and then the cats. Oh, this one's going to be easy to take off the plastic so you can see it better. Oh my God, those cats are so cute. Look at them all rolled up and having fun and curled up. They look like they're very happy. And of course, what is a cat without going ahead and having some yarn to play with? So we have some yarn in green, some yarn with a blue background. And flowers. There's always got to be flowers. And look at these flowers, and guess what's in the flowers? Kitty cats. So we have some in two different colorways of that.
And we have them on bicycles.
And how about some kitty cats on some bicycles? This is going to make the most fun quilt ever. And here are our cats. They are going to do some fishing. Isn't that wonderful?
We have it in line.
And there it goes with just a beigey sort of colorway and just lines. Oh my goodness. Those are so fun. And last but not least, some more bunnies and birds and cats playing in some cattails and some leaves. So, cattails is here. We're going to have this out and on our website very quickly. And you need to purchase some before it's all gone. Everybody, perfect spring quilt fabric. Have a great day.